What's up, my beautiful glam fam? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Glam Up with Misty. I do hope that you're in sound mind, body, and spirit. But before I get started, for those of you who are new to my channel, I would love for you to support a sister and go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. Make sure you click on the notification bell for future postings, okay? Last week I did a facial mask tutorial on ingredients I use straight from my kitchen. I will put the playlist in the link below, so you guys go ahead and check that out if you haven't already seen it. I call it the chickpea good stuff coffee mask. Yes, that mask was so good. So this week's do-it-yourself mask is called chickpea good stuff strawberry mask. It's highly enriched with vitamin C, and then the chickpea flour has vitamin A, B, C, E, D and K, potassium, magnesium, rejuvenated, revitalized, moisturized, hydrated. What inspired me to make this strawberry mask? I was cutting up some strawberries for my smoothies. That's what I normally do. I freeze all my fruits. And I was about to throw the strawberry stems away in the trash. I'm like, something just clicked in my mind. I'm like, wait a minute, why am I throwing this good stuff away? I used 2 tablespoons of the chickpea flour, maybe 4 to 5 of the strawberry stems, as well as some almond milk. I put in there maybe a teaspoon. I still use the raw honey. I added in some grapeseed oil and vitamin E, okay? And I blend it all together to give you this pasty texture. First, I'm going to go ahead and wet my skin. I'm going to leave this on for about maybe 10-15 minutes until it hardens. That's when you know, when you feel the skin pulling and tightening. It's really going in there to shrink your pores, refine your texture. All the ingredients is working together to give you that natural, radiant glow. It's very, very crucial that you take care of your skin, because your skin is the largest organ on your body. Just have a daily skin regimen to keep your skin free from acne. I'm just so excited to be able to share, all these beauty tips with you guys and tutorials. You can pass it along with your family and friends. And don't forget to have them to share my channel so they can subscribe to it as well. Did you know that 50 million people here in America suffer from acne? Yes. I was doing some research, and when I read that, I'm like, wow, that's a big problem. So we got to find, natural ways and cures to make sure we keep our skin healthy. A good skincare regimen, the basic foundation is having clean skin. So it's very important that you cleanse your skin daily. So it's very important that at least twice a day, in the mornings, of course, do your skincare, and then before you go to bed. All you need is a good, natural, organic mask or cleanser to really just help maintain and sustain the integrity of your skin. Because when you have beautiful, clear, glowing skin, you feel good about yourself, and sometimes you don't even have to wear makeup. I'm in the process of developing my website, Glam Fix Boutique. That's GLAMFIXX Boutique. And I'm going to have fashions, makeup, skincare, wigs, fragrances. You guys make sure you click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on future postings. We're going to have a lot of good stuff coming your way. So let me go ahead and rinse this off. It's hard now. Okay, I'm back. I rinsed off all the mask. Y'all gotta try this mask. You hear me? My skin feels so deeply cleansed. It's soft and supple. It feels very toned. It just feels so rejuvenated and replenished. The mask can be used once a week, and you can put it in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Don't waste this good stuff. Even if you have some left over, maybe you can give your bestie or your sister or your mother or cousin a facial as well. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. So now I'm going to follow up with my Rose Skincare, and it's for all skin types. The Rose Skincare set comes in 4, the cleanser as well as the toner. I do have a full tutorial on this rose skincare set as well. I'll put the link in the show notes below, so you guys check that video out as well. And there is a link where you can purchase the products, okay? And then I have the serum and the moisturizer, as well as I have the rose water. It smells so good. It smells like roses. It's very refreshing. Next, I'm going to use the rose serum. It's going to give you the extra moisturizing protection. Okay, this is absolutely phenomenal. I love this stuff. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you have dry skin, it's going to really go in there and deeply penetrate beneath your skin layer, toning and just soothing your skin and hydrating, okay? I highly suggest you guys really get into a skincare regimen. This would be the perfect product for you guys. The rose skincare is very natural. It's vegan. It has natural rose extract in it, pomegranate extract. So many, ingredients that's going to really benefit your skin. Okay, so that's the serum. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so it easily absorbs in your skin. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. Before I lunch, I made sure I tested on my skin first because my skin is very sensitive. Anything can break me out. So I was very diligent in making sure that I did my research, and I tested the rose skincare set for about maybe 6 weeks. I didn't have breakouts. I didn't have irritation. I'm like, okay, this is good quality skincare. So I can go ahead and put it on the market and share with my customers so they can also benefit from it as well, okay? Okay, y'all, finally I'm going to apply this rose moisturizing cream on my face. When I tell you, this stuff is so good, you guys are going to love this stuff. It's non-greasy. It really beautifully absorbs in your skin, and it smells delicious. A little goes a long way. All the rose skincare has natural rose extracts and has that rose natural fragrance in it. It's going to really relax you, soothe you. Apply it in a few spots here, there. That's pretty much all you need. It's all you need. This whole skincare regimen that I'm doing today is going to really be a treatment for acne too. And also hyperpigmentation. If you suffer from dark spots, it's going to help. The more and more you use it and be consistent with it, it's going to help just even out your skin tone. You're going to see a difference, but you have to be consistent. Sometimes people think they'll start a skincare regimen once every month and think magic's going to happen. It doesn't work that way. The time you put in will be the benefits you get out of it. Okay? A woman should always look soft, and pretty. And the moment, we walk out our door, we want all eyes on us, We want to walk with our head held high, with confidence, because we know we look good. You can tell when a woman's going through something. We can still be going through something, but we don't have to look like it. You can live in the hood. Don't even have to look like you live in the hood. Don't let your environment define who you are. Okay, there you have it. I'm done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Well, you guys take care of yourselves. Don't worry about nothing. Trust God. He got your back. He works on your behalf, okay? As long as you do the right thing, there's great rewards for obedience. Until next time, you guys take care. Love you much and stay safe out there. Bye.